Hey everyone, welcome to the Mayank course and I'm Mayank. Today I'm going to talk about how you can beat your procrastination easily by using 3 free tool resources. I also share a bonus tip for you also in the end, so watch video till end. So before starting the video, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new to this channel. And also you can follow us on Instagram where we are posting cool stuff for you. So you cannot miss any cool stuff from our side. So must check out link in the description. So before wasting any time, let's get into the video. Before starting about the topic how you can beat a procrastination, first we talk about what is the procrastination. Basically the procrastination means you in 2022 we all made a resolution that we want to achieve this in this year and we want to become this and this year, okay? But in 1st January you wake up in the morning, let's suppose you wake up at 9 a.m. and you want to be a React.js developer in and at the end of 2022. So on the morning you become so much lazy, you wake up in the morning but you feel that there is a lot of time I start learning in the evening, okay? You spend all the day doing other stuff for you, and in the evening you become so much tired you skip to this next day. This skipping of your task is known as procrastination. In a simple language means you have to do that task. You know this is the important task for you, but you don't have your attention, or you can say you don't have that enthusiasm in your body that you want to do right now. So what are the reasons behind this? Why are you procrastination day by day and not doing anything? There are the two main reasons you can say that why are you procrastinating your task. First, you are learning that skill because others are learning that skill. You don't even know what is React. Let's suppose you don't even know what is React.js, but you want to learn because all around your peoples are learning React. Why? There are plenty of jobs in React. The salary of the peoples are high. Companies hire React.js developer at high pay scale. New startups, new websites are building on React.js. That's why you want to learn React.js. And if your motive of learning React.js is only others are learning, I guaranteed you are 99.9% do not learn React.js at the end of the 2022, and you didn't be a React.js developer at the end of 2022. This is the hard truth, but reality it is. Because you don't have any interest in React.js, you are just learning because others are learning. I am not specify about React.js. You can be other technologies like blockchain or like AI ML. Because others are learning, I want to learn this. I don't be feel lonely or that other my friends are learning, so I am also want to learn this. Other neither they will kick me out of their group. No, you if you have interest in React or other technology, you learn. First reason is if you are learning new skill or technology because others are learning, you're not able to learn that technology. And the second reason is you don't have enough time to learn a new skill. You are going to job, or you in the college, or you have some other stuff going around yourself. So I suggest you please identify your why you want to learn this skill, why you want to achieve this achievement at the end of 2022, why you want to be fit in the end of 2022, why you want to learn this technology. Why? If your why is clear, why you want to learn this or learn that, you don't even know where you get enough time to learn that skill. If your why is clear, I guarantee you max to max get 2 hours a day. Even less I'm talking about, you get more hours a day because your why is clear. Why I want to learn this? If you didn't have any time, please identify your why you want to learn this. If you just learning in the first reason I've talked about because others are learning, if you have 5 or 6 hours a day wasting your time, you didn't learn anything because your why is not clear. If your why is clear, if you're a busy person, you also get enough time to learn new things. So we talk about two reasons. If you're lying the first reason, I suggest you skip that part. Where your interest lies, spend the time there. Not the others are doing and I also want to do this. No, not at all. If others are doing, they have interest in that. If you are interested in digital marketing or graphic designing, do that one, not the development part. Not only developers earn more, digital marketing mentors or the graphic design also earn better. If where your interest lies, go that. And the second reason we have talked about, you didn't get enough time to learn things. So I suggest you first identify why and try to be at least give 1 to 2 hours to learn new skill, so that at the end of 2022 you get 10x times better than now. So this is the two reasons I'm talking about. And now the three tools I'm talking about where you can make your procrastination more easily thrown. So first tool is Google Calendar. Yes, Google Calendar. It helps to remind you what task you have to do now. Let's suppose I want to at 12 p.m. I want to learn Node.js. Okay, I set a reminder on Google Calendar that at 12 p.m. I want to learn Node.js. At 12 p.m. it rings. Okay, you have to learn the Node.js for yourself, or give 2 hours for a day, and your mind give you a signal that pick up, get up from the bed, get up from the couch to learn new things, and you eagerly want to learn new things because you get a message from you yourself that I have saved this message, I want to learn this thing. First is the Google Calendar. Make a schedule that I want to do at this time this time this time this. It will help you to remind better. And the second is Notion. Notion is a great tool, I have suggest you. It has a desktop application also and the mobile application also, where you can do all other things you want to do. But I use Notion as a to-do list. If I want to I have 10 schedules in my day, I right there I have to do this. At the end of the day I tick, okay, I have done this, I have done this, and what I have left, I remind me I want to do this on the next year. Same as for you also. At the end of the day, when you see your to-do list, you get that out of 10 your 4 are unchecked. You remind you think that where you spend your time in the whole day, and you clearly seen that how much time you spend on entertainment and how much time you spend on learning new things, new skills, be a fit person. So on next day you spend less time on entertainment and more time on yourself, which helps you exponentially grow better in your life. And the third and the most important tool is consistency. Yes, be a consistent person in 2022. I have been consistent last 3 months and I have seen myself to grow. So I suggest you be a consistent person. If you spend 1 hour a day to learn new skill, be a consistent. Learn every day. Learn every day 1 hour, only 1 hour. But after 3 months, you see yourself how you are 1 hour be your 10x time better than you. So be a consistent person. I tell you, this will help you a lot in your journey. And the bonus tip I want to tell you that you can share your progress by tagging us on your Instagram story, that is my course, and use hashtag beat procrastination, which helps others to see what are you doing, what learnings are you learn, what skills are you developing. And also you can also see others when I am reuploading on my story, that you can see all your competitors or what they are learning, and it helps you to grow gradually. This is a 30 days challenge, hashtag beat procrastination, which helps you to also learn new skills and be in a competitive environment. So tag us in your story and I re-upload it on my Instagram, that is at the rate Mayank__course. If you didn't follow till now, link in the description. This is all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, comment down and comment what types of videos you want. Okay, so I make more and more videos for you. And if you didn't subscribe till now, do subscribe. It helps us and help channel to grow and make more such videos for you. Till then, take care, stay tuned. Bye bye. Signing off, Mayank.